Exercise 8.1. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB is equal to 24 centimeter, BC is equal to 7 centimeter. And what you have to determine, you have to find two things. First one is your value of sine A and cos A. A is what here? A is angle. Okay, and cos C and sine C. Okay, first of all, we have to find out sine A and cos A. Sine A is given to you, it means A is your angle, you make it angle sine here. Okay, then you see here is on this line, on this side of this triangle, okay, two angles are formed, it means this is your base. Okay, this is hypotenuse, greatest side hypotenuse, and this is your perpendicular. Okay, then see what is given. AB is 24 centimeter given to you. Write down 24 centimeter. And BC 7 centimeter is given to you. 7 centimeter. Okay. Then by Pythagoras theorem, what we know, that is h square is equal to b square plus p square. H square is h square. What is b? Base is 24 centimeter is 24. What is P? 7. Okay. Then what will be? This is your 576. 24 square. 7 square is 49. So this will be your 625. Take it square root. This is 25 centimeter. This is your 25 centimeter. Okay, then what you have to find out? You have to find sine A and cos A. What is sine A? That is P upon H. What will be cos A? This will be B upon H. P is what here? 7. This is 7. H is 25. This is the thing. And here B is what? 24. H is what? 25. So this is your first answer. Now again, you have to find sine C and cos C. So what to do? C is here. C is the angle. Okay. Then this will be a base because two angles are formed on the side BC. Then this is your perpendicular. This is your hypotenuse. And length is given to you. Base is given to you 7 centimeter. It is okay. This is 24 centimeter. This is okay. This is 25 centimeter. Okay. Now you have to find sine C. This is your P upon H. P is your 24 upon. This is 25. Then cos C. B upon H. What is B is what? 7 upon 25. This is your answer. Come on question number 2. Find tan P minus cot R. You have given the figure. You have given one triangle, right triangle PQR, where PQ is equal to 12 centimeter and PR is equal to 13 centimeter. For finding tan P, see here, this is P. If you are taking P this, then side PQ will be base and PR will be hypotenuse. Then this QR will be what? QR will be what? Perpendicular. So by Pythagoras theorem, we have to find perpendicular. So perpendicular square is equal to hypotenuse square minus base square, P square. So H is what? 13. Base is what? 12. So P will be what? 169 minus 144. I am taking square root. This is your 25. Then 5 centimeter is your what? Perpendicular. Good. This I am doing for finding tan P. Then what will be tan P? Tan P means perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is 5, base is 12. Now, for cot R. How to get cot R? See here. The same thing I am making P, Q, R. This time this is the angle. So this will be the base. Actually 5 centimeter is given. This is 13 we got it. Here 12 we got it. Okay. Now this is your base. Hypotenuse never change. And perpendicular is this. Then what will be cot R? Base upon perpendicular. Base is 5. Perpendicular is 12. Then by question, tan P minus cot R. What is tan P? 5 upon 12. Cot R is also 5 upon 12. This is 0. This is your answer. Come on for question number 3. If sin A is equal to 3 upon 4, calculate cos A and tan A. Okay, what is given? Sin A. Sin A is equal to P upon H, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Here angle A is given, no? See, this is the angle A. So I have drawn one right triangle and A is the angle, then make it angle sin here. If A is the angle, then side AB will become base. This will become your perpendicular and this will be your hypotenuse. Getting? Then what to do? See. Then perpendicular means what? BC. Here is BC. Hypotenuse AC. Okay. Here is given perpendicular upon hypotenuse 3 upon 4. Then what is the length of BC? Because this is in the ratio, we have to take one constant. Then length of BC will become 3K. Length of BC, this will be 3K. And length of AC is 4K. This is 4K. You have to find AB. AB is the base, no? Then write by Pythagoras formula. B square is equal to H square minus P square. So what is B square? H is what? See, 4K whole square. This is 3K square. Then B will be what? 16K square minus 9K square and take its square root. Then what will be B? This is 7K square and take square root. This is root 7K. Okay, make it here root 7K. Then what you have to find? Cos A. This is B upon H. B is root 7K clearly. H is your 4K. Okay, so K to K cut. Root 7 upon 4. Tan A. It means P upon B. This is 3K. Clearly see in the figure. P is 3K and B is what? Root 7K. So 3 upon root 7. This is your answer. Yes, the next question number 4. It is very good question again. NCERT 8.1 exercise question number 4. Given that 15 cot A is equal to 8, you have to find sin A and cos sec A. Only sec A it is. Okay. So 15 cot A is given. First of all, you find clear value of cot A. It means you have to sin cot that side by dividing. So this will be 8 upon 15. And what is meaning of cot? It is base upon perpendicular. What is, because A is given no angle, so make it this A angle. So this is your base and this is your perpendicular. Clear? So base is your AB is your 8K. I am taking constant K here. And this is your 15K. You have to find hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is not given here. So by Pythagoras theorem, what is h square? H square is equal to b square plus p square. Then what is h square here? B is what? 8k square. P is what? 15k square. So what is h? 64k square, 225k square. This is your 289. Very good. 289k square it is. And the square root of 289 is what? 17. And this is k. Okay, so clearly we got it. Hypotenuse is 17k. Then you have to find value of sine A and sec A. What is sine A? P upon H. P is what? 15k upon 17k. This is 15 upon 17. And what is sec A? Sec A means H upon B. H is how much? 17k. And B is what? 8k. K to K cut. This is your 17 upon 8. And this is your answer.